Good morning, it's Dr. Steph. In the office, I've been getting a lot of questions about sleep posture. And I want to talk to you about what postures are the best for you to sleep. So many people sleep on their stomach. This is the absolute worst way that you can sleep. There is no support for your low back. You have to turn your head and neck to breathe. And who would walk around like this for 7 or 8 hours every day? Not good for the muscles, for the nerves, for the structure of your neck, as well as your upper back. So the best ways that you can sleep, number one would be on your back. Laying on your back with a pillow underneath your knees helps take some of that pressure off the low back. The other thing you want to make sure of is that your head, if you have too many pillows, your head does this and it pushes your head forward. And if you know me, I'm all about the forward head posture, right? So we want to make sure your head is back. You could probably use no pillow or a flatter pillow that just supports the curve in your neck. I often recommend to people to just roll up a hand towel, put it in the curve of their neck so their head goes back, and that allows them better sleep. The second best way is to lay on your side. If you're laying on your side, you want to make sure your spine is straight. So have somebody look at that, laying on your side with the proper pillow for you, that your head isn't going one way or the other while you're on the pillow, and that there is a pillow between your knees. So it helps support the hips and the low back, and so it doesn't allow you to roll onto your side or your stomach. If you do have a tendency to roll into your stomach, the other thing I would recommend is hugging a pillow, even a body pillow, because that will prevent you from rolling into your stomach. So I hope those tips are helpful, and if you have any more questions about sleep, please post them here, and we look forward to seeing you soon.